It's a Daiwa Elite, Tatula Elite. I've had it a couple weeks. And really like it so far. It's ridiculously smooth. It and casts a mile. It's a couple years old, the model, but you can get them for a decent deal. It's all aluminum, even the side plates. Smaller fish here. So if you're looking for a pretty good reel that you can get for a good price these days, and I happened to break 2 rods in a weekend, and so bought a couple Dobbins rods. Again, got them on sale, really good deals, and so far I like them. Anyway, I'd like to catch another good fish before the end of the day, or not even before the end of the day, before I have to go home. Travel a lot for work, and don't get to fish as much as I'd like. Nice fish here. Whoa. Wow. This guy is a big one. Come on up here, buddy. This one's not as big as the last, but I'm just curious. They're so short, but man, they're just fat. The other one I caught that I wasn't recording was 4. This one's 3. So, yeah, nice, healthy, fat, short fella. Good deal.